what's up? Welcome back to Jazz and Marty. I'm Jazz, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 very simple, very easy DIY Harry Potter ornaments. And guys, literally anyone you know can make these ornaments for the holidays. So grab the parents, get the kiddos in here, call the neighbor over because it's about to be a Harry Potter holiday party. So if you want to learn how to make an on-the-fly Golden Snitch ornament and some pretty cool no-spill Harry Potter potion ornaments, stick around because I'll be showing you how to do that in about 5 seconds. Getting started, here's what you'll need to make the Golden Snitch ornament. A round gold-colored object with the size and style of your choosing, a couple of gold feathers, some brown twine, a pair of scissors, and a hot and ready glue gun with some extra glue gun sticks in case you need them. The green foliage is not needed, but your table lacks some color, so there's that. Now that we have what we need, let's start making it. Just to start, sorry for the crappy focus in this video, but my camera was being a nuisance. But taking your feathers, begin by detaching them. Skip this step if yours are already separated, but taking your scissors, cut the tips, leaving enough room to attach them later. The first might come off pretty easy, but by the second one you may need some encouragement. In the end, just pluck it off and throw it to the side. So now that you have your detached feathers, spend a few seconds deciding how best to attach them to the ornament. Positioning them in the back so that they look like wings seems pretty good. And once you're aesthetically pleased with the basic shape, go ahead and start gluing them. Make sure to glue all around the tips of both feathers and reinforce the sides once attached so that there is no slippage later. Once the feathers are attached, hold them in place to give it extra encouragement to stick. Pluck off the glue balls that have attached themselves to you and bend the feathers back into the shape that pleases you most. And there you have it, one basic Golden Snitch that is significantly slower than the original. Lastly, taking your twine, cut about a 6 to 7 inch piece and thread it through an opening in the top of the snitch. If you have a more solid ornament, just glue a looped piece of twine to the top. Take the ends and tie a triple knot for extra security. Snip off the loose ends of the knot and pull the twine so that the knot loops around and is hidden inside of the ornament. And now go ahead and congratulate yourself because you just made a work of art. Good job. Now try to clean your table of the glitter and move on to the next. Moving on to the potions now, here's what you'll need for that. 2 clear ornaments with the size and style of your choosing, 2 bunches of colored pipe cleaners. This color will change depending on what potion you want to do. Once again, some twine and a pair of scissors, a couple of corks, and don't forget your trusty glue gun. First, taking the rounder ornament, remove the top and put that elsewhere so that you now have a clear opening. Grab your green pipe cleaners for a polyjuice potion and begin twisting one around your index finger like so. it.